Hi everyone, Ben here. I have a question for you. Do you enjoy waiting for an oil change? Or going to have your car fixed in general? Waiting for auto repair is painful. We wait in a dirty showroom with bad chairs and gross coffee. Eventually, you realize you've wasted half your day in frustration, missing time off from work, family events, or friends. It's time to end this painstaking cycle of auto repair. Introducing DeliveryAutoCare.com. We pick your car up so you don't have to wait, day or night. We pick up your car, service it at our closest location or affiliate, and deliver it back to you, or your driveway, wherever you are. If we find something that requires your attention, we will send you an email or a text message with photographic evidence and specifications as to why it should be replaced. It's your choice, enabling you to make educated repair decisions on the go. DeliveryAutoCare.com is founded by industry veterans and certified professionals, so you know you're working with the right people you can trust. Help us redefine an industry and join today and never wait again. www.DeliveryAutoCare.com